Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: Chrome OS 89 or newer and an active Google account. Once done, press Search plus Shift plus S or open the launcher and type Snipping Tool. You choose a capture type first because it determines framing and options. Full capture saves instantly, window targets an app, and region lets you draw precisely. Make sure to allow any requested permissions so screenshots save to downloads or drive. Then move on to framing your shot. Now you'll take the shot and refine it. After selecting region mode, drag the crosshair to frame content, hold Shift to constrain proportions, or pick window mode and click the app you want. Once captured, the Snipping Tool opens Inline Editor. Use the crop handles to trim, the pen to annotate, and the undo button to revert mistakes. Make sure to choose Save for a file in Downloads or Copy to add the image to the clipboard for immediate pasting. Practice a couple times to speed the flow. Finish by saving and sharing efficiently. You can save locally to Downloads or pick Save to Drive to keep a cloud copy. Once saved, right-click the file to open its folder or attach it to email. To share quickly, use Copy and Paste into chat or compose a new message. If the tool won't open, restart the Chromebook, ensure screenshot keys are enabled, update Chrome OS, and confirm app permissions in settings. That usually resolves common issues and gets you back to capturing in seconds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.